Hi guys, today I'll be showing you how to make this tasty lemon zest mandazis. For this recipe you will need, start off with the dry ingredients, flour, then add in your sugar, followed by your grated lemon, then mix it all in. The golden brown color you want. These are ready, crispy top and soft inside. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss any new uploads. Till next time, bye bye.